Hello guys, this is Sai Kamal. I'm Sai Kamal Varshit. I'm your I'm your chess YouTuber and space YouTuber, of course. And today I am just vlogging about how to win a chess game. Most of you know this, but most of you have chess blindness, due to which you blunder simple tactics or something. So I'll show you how to avoid this chess blindness and also how to win a chess game. So let's get started. I am playing this on 10 plus 5 rapid, which is like medium of 10 plus 0 and 15 plus 10, so that it is not too short or too long. I'm going to play it right now. Let's go. And also I'll tell about the moves, the descriptions and all. So please like and subscribe. Okay, we have got Hidas 2697 here. He goes e4, we go e5, taking control of the center. Taking control of the center. And then he goes knight f3. I go knight c6. He goes bishop c4, the Italian game. Now I just go simply knight f6 and form the two knights defense. He goes, what? Fried liver? A joke to me. Well, I have an amazing counter for this. You first play d4 and then instead of going knight a5, which is Injun's first recommendation, you go knight to d4, and in this way we set up a silly trap which comes after d6 push. If he goes c3, then we'll just go b5. If he takes, we'll take his bishop. If he again takes, we'll take his pawn on d5. He castles. Let us go bishop d3 to stop this pawn immediately, because it's quite a danger for us. If he goes d3 now, we will just go c3 now. If he goes c3 now, we'll just go knight f5. I know, just as I predicted. We'll go knight here. And then if he goes c4, we'll just attack the pawn 3 times by going knight h6. Let us see what he plays. So the best way to not blunder chess blindness is through CCTV. Checks, captures threats. CCTV. So he goes d4. I mean, I want to take, but the thing is, he'll remain our king safety. It will ruin our king safety. So, but we can block with the bishop. So let's take the pawn and castle for now. Takes, and then we just castle, because we don't want our king to be exposed. So like that, he now goes knight c3. So now we go to activate our bishop. We go bishop b4 because it also like threatens the knight, which is the only defender of that pawn right there. And also we control great control. We establish great control over the center. So let's go there, and we also free up our queen, and the bishop is ready to be developed. The c file bishop. Okay, so let's go there. I want it all to be cleared, and his d pawn looks very sensitive. It's going to be an IQP in no time, so we should control the squares in front of it so that we can take it to a healthy end game, and then later take the d pawn for ourselves. What? I think he forgot about the. He forgot about the d pawn. That's very sad. Okay, so the thing is, we'll take the d pawn and then again retreat, because we don't want our. Wait, is there any tactic running? Okay, we'll take. There's no tactic running that I see with my eyes. What? He hung his queen. He hung. And that's how you win a chess match. By hanging a queen. My opponent just did parody in front of me and thought he could win, but I proved him wrong. This is how you win a chess game. This is so advanced level that most of you might be like less than 700 or so, but this is just nuts. Okay, so this is game 1, and I'm going to share another video where I'm going to explain another game, and I think it is not going to be parody as well. So bye everyone, see you later. Tata, bye bye. And also don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the bell icon to receive more updates on how to win a chess game.